Look no further than the 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 50,000 miles on the odometer. The Jeep Grand Cherokee, the stylish all-terrain SUV that blends comfort, high performance, and rugged capability. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, fog lamps, power liftgate, power passenger seat, heated rear seat, heated mirrors, satellite radio, backup camera. Rugged versatility meets high-tech luxury in the Grand Cherokee. Get behind the wheel today.